In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Zendesk as a complete beginner step by step. We'll break everything down into simple, easy to follow steps so you can set up your support workspace, manage customer tickets, organize your team, automate responses, and explore Zendesk's AI features without feeling overwhelmed. Here's what you can expect from this video. First, we'll create a Zendesk account, start a free trial, and complete the initial workspace setup. Next, we'll connect a support email, invite teammates, and explore the Zendesk dashboard. Then we'll learn how tickets work, respond to customers, use macros, and manage ticket statuses. After that, we'll organize customers, teams, views, reports, and connect popular communication channels. And finally, we'll explore Zendesk AI, create an AI agent, configure your help center, and publish your customer support experience. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Zendesk.com. Once you're on the homepage, click Try for Free. Zendesk offers a free trial so you can explore the platform before choosing a paid plan. Enter your work email address and continue through the sign-up process. You'll then be asked for some basic information, including your name, company name, phone number, job title, company size, and preferred language. Complete each step, create a secure password, and finish creating your account. Zendesk will send you a verification email. Open your inbox, click the verification link, and your account will be activated. After signing in, you'll be guided through the initial setup. One of the first things Zendesk asks you to configure is your support identity. After that, Zendesk lets you invite teammates. You can enter your coworkers' email addresses now, or skip this step and invite them later from the admin settings. You'll also have the option to connect your support email. If your business already uses Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, you can connect your existing support inbox so incoming customer emails automatically become Zendesk tickets. If you're not ready to connect your own email yet, Zendesk also provides a temporary support email so you can start testing the platform immediately. Once setup is complete, you'll arrive at the Zendesk dashboard. Let's take a quick tour of the interface. On the left side, you'll find the main navigation menu. This is where you'll access tickets, customers, organizations, reports, channels, AI tools, and your admin settings. The center of the screen is your workspace, where agents spend most of their time managing customer conversations. Everything in Zendesk revolves around tickets. A ticket represents a customer question, issue, or request. Whenever someone emails your support address, fills out a contact form, or messages you through a connected channel, Zendesk automatically creates a ticket. Inside every ticket, you'll see the customer's original message along with important information such as their email address, language, previous conversations, assigned agent, tags, and priority. On the right side, you'll also find fields for ticket type and status. Ticket types help categorize requests. For example, you can mark a ticket as a question, incident, problem, or task. Priorities help your team identify which issues should be handled first. For urgent customer issues, select high or urgent. General questions can remain at normal or low priority. Now let's reply to the customer. Click inside the reply box and type your response just as you would when sending an email. Once you're finished, choose a ticket status before submitting. Zendesk includes several common statuses. Open means work still needs to be done. Pending means you're waiting for the customer to reply. In progress indicates you're waiting for another department or third party. Solved means the issue has been resolved. Choosing the correct status helps your entire team understand where every request stands. If you answer the customer's question completely, change the ticket to solved before submitting. If you're waiting for more information from the customer, pending is usually the better choice. As your support team grows, you'll notice that many replies become repetitive. That's where macros come in. Macros are pre-written responses that save time by automatically inserting commonly used messages into tickets. For example, you might have a macro thanking customers for contacting support or explaining your return policy. Instead of typing the same response repeatedly, simply choose the appropriate macro and Zendesk fills in the message instantly. You can customize these macros later to match your company's tone and support process. Zendesk also supports internal notes. Unlike public replies, internal notes are only visible to your team. They're useful for sharing context, assigning follow-up work, or documenting conversations before transferring a ticket to another department. For example, if billing needs to review an issue, you can leave an internal note explaining what's already been discussed so customers don't have to repeat themselves. Now let's look at ticket organization. On the left side, you'll find views. Views automatically group tickets based on different conditions. For example, you may have views for open tickets, pending tickets, recently solved, high priority, or tickets assigned to me. Using views helps agents quickly focus on the requests that need immediate attention. Next, open the Customers section. Here you'll find everyone who has contacted your business. Selecting a customer lets you view their contact information, previous tickets, and interaction history. This makes it much easier to provide personalized support because agents can immediately see past conversations. You'll also find organizations. Organizations allow you to group customers by company. If multiple employees from the same business contact your support team, Zendesk keeps them organized under a single organization profile. Next, let's look at channels. Modern customer support doesn't only happen through email. Zendesk allows you to connect multiple communication channels so every conversation appears in one shared workspace. Depending on your plan, you can connect channels like email, web forms, messaging, live chat, and social media accounts. This means customers can contact you using their preferred method while your team manages everything from a single dashboard. Another useful feature is app integrations. Open the App section to browse available integrations. Zendesk works with popular services such as Google Workspace, Zoom, Trello, Jira, TeamViewer, and many others. These integrations help your support team access information without constantly switching between different platforms. Now let's explore one of Zendesk's newest capabilities, AI. Zendesk includes AI-powered tools that can assist both agents and customers. Open the AI section from the navigation menu. Here you can begin creating an AI agent. Finally, let's visit the Admin Center. This is where you'll manage users, roles, permissions, brands, automations, business rules, and workspace settings. As your team grows, you'll spend more time here customizing Zendesk to match your workflow. And that's the basics of using Zendesk as a complete beginner. That's it for this video. Thanks.